Hello, Ultra.Coffee, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing Chicken Farm, as you may see on the thing. So I just found this game on Crazy Games. Sorry, allergies, I think, I don't know, I'm probably got sick. But Crazy Games is probably where I film most of my offline game videos. My Chicken Farm, select the language. The fact there's no English. Oh, that's English. Have an egg to collect. Ooh. Cost $10. $850. Dang, these chickens are expensive. Upgrades. $50. I'm lucky to even get 10. I can't buy that. Why are these chickens so expensive? Like it. Oh my. Oh, these eggs disappear. Stop laying eggs. This is so hard. Oh no, I had a running nose since like my volleyball game. Probably, I don't know why. Shop? What can I buy in the shop? Nothing. Yeah, I upgraded something. I never actually had a chicken before, but like, I did have a chicken, I believe, before. No, I did not have a chicken. I mean a goat. I did it. So when I was younger, my grandparents had this farm in the Philippines. So I would always go there and see my pet goat Tommy, which I thought was a boy, but no. That's when I figured out it was a female when she gave birth. So like, yeah, it was pretty sad. Because I thought I made a friend with a male goat. Because most of the animals on the farm is all female, so I wanted to make a goal for myself that I'll make a friend of an animal friend. I mean, when I was younger, I was kind of scared of animals. I never got run over by one, but like, I don't know, they just scared me. This is going by so fast. Shop? Okay. 250. Oh, I need that. Cause like these chickens are like dropping eggs. I was about to say something else, but like that's it's inappropriate. Oh, if you're wondering why this video was probably posted, like, I don't know, this is videos are being filmed at like 7:53 p.m. I got home from like late, that's why, sorry. My job, I usually go on this website, and I'm basically a therapist for people who need help. So like, I help people because I get a lot of like requests like that people need help, so I answer their requests. Like, one I believe is how to gain offense trust back. I mean, I never had anything like that witnessed. Actually, no, I did. That's a lie. Cause like there was this one time I was supposed to do someone's homework, even though they're not nice to me, aka my bullies, and I didn't. So, actually, that's not a good excuse. That's all like a friend. Well, like, I think there was this one time, and I was like in 8th grade. I was like, oh, I could buy this. So I was like, how do I say this? I don't know what to say. I forgot what I was saying. PS information. Yeah. When I was younger, when I was like in 8th grade, I was doing a project. with this friend of mine's. They're working really good together. And then, what is it? Okay, but like, what's wrong with this tricking? Okay. I hope I don't have allergies right now. That would be really bad. I got an exam tomorrow. Actually, no. No, I want to take my exam tomorrow. Oh, I got songs. I got beats. I could add hats. Unlock. Oh, watching ads. So this is basically guys' ad for the video. Total. I cannot read that fast. I don't know what it's saying. Yeah, it's not telling me either way. I think I do have allergies. I don't know, it's not flu season anymore, right? Flu season's in November, I think. Don't know. Wow, look at that. Total by Verizon. Oh, I put chicken hat. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. You know, I need an upgrade. Star event. Ooh, 200%. Happy birthday. Oh, what was another thing? I don't remember. But like, yeah, me and my friend were like doing this project. I was supposed to do my other half, but like, I didn't. Well, I did, but like, not that well. Let's just say, I hardly did anything. So they got mad at me and they stopped trusting me because they trusted I could do the project. And there was this one, like, 25% thing I was supposed to do, and I did not know because she said she will do it, or he, I don't remember the gender, it was a long time ago. But like, they lost my trust, so I just talked to them, explain why I didn't do it, because I was babysitting at the time. I had a baby cousin, okay? Don't blame me. Oh, this chicken farm is going really nice, huh? Oh, that's English? I knew that. I think I am sick. I don't even know what's happening. I could get colored eggs. Oh my gosh, I want that. Wait, how much? Oh, that's not 500. I mean, colored eggs. I want. Okay, I'm saving up to 500 because this auto clicker. You know, the auto clicker removes the fun of collecting eggs on my chicken farm. If you ever have any video ideas for me, I'll leave it. What's that called? I'll leave a I have no idea what's it called. I'll leave my Discord server in the link below. I think I am sick. I don't know. If I am, that's bad. Or is it? Probably not that bad, but like bad to my partners because like we're doing another good project. Oh my gosh, that's blue eggs only. I mean, I love blue. You know, my favorite color. But like, oh, 1 out of 7. I knew that. I could get out 850 egg. Wow. Bought it. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? Wait, 3 seconds. Chat. You know what? Why not a crown? If you didn't get any ads on this today's video, well, here's your ad. Straight Talk Wireless 5G. Oh wow, I could skip. That's how long it is. Wait, can I? Oh my gosh, I have to have crowns. Oh, that's a really long time, huh? Well, I mean, that's nice line. I could upgrade the cost. What is that? seeds? Those are seeds? I knew that. Exactly how to collect those seeds. Oh my gosh, I never held a chicken farm before. This is my town. I think I am sick. Wow. I don't know, I'll get my favorite checked in the morning. It's like 8 now already. 8 p.m. Whoa, chickens! Oh, the crowns. Okay. Okay. I don't know how long. Wait, that was just 3 minutes. Wait a minute. When? 170, right? 180, I think. Cause that would be 3 minutes. Oh, what color eggs now? Oh, this pink. I know my colors. I think. I don't know. My friends say I'm colorblind because I was like looking at this purple, and they said that was blue, and I was like, "What do you mean that's not blue? That's purple." And I don't know. They're like getting worried about me because like I don't know my colors. I know my colors. I just can't tell. I just don't know my colors. Huh. I mean, I do know my colors, just can't tell the difference between indigo and blue. Because, I mean, my teacher expected us to paint a cherry blossom tree. Let's just say I'm not really much of an artist. But, I mean, I can draw, but like not like paint. Painting's difficult. I can never do that. And I know I'll never. Money, money, money. Oh, have you guys watched the Wendy's show? The new Wendy's show? I don't know. I just see that all over my TikTok. Everyone doing the dance. And I know how the dance looks like. So I was like, and like, here's my sister watching like, what's this dance? And I'm like, I was like stunned. Because I mean, that's a popular dance now. And surprisingly, she does not know it. I mean, you can't blame her. She hardly goes on social media. She likes nature more than me. 62K. Excuse me, 62K. Okay, well, that's a sign. Shop. Okay, 15K. I bought a new chicken. I bought a blue chicken. I'm following you. I feel like a stalker, chicken stalker. I'm making money. Money, money, money. I wonder if it saves. If it doesn't save, I'm gonna cry. I get an achievement. Oh my god. Drop 50 seeds on the field. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Back. Oh my gosh, I am sick. I hope not. I got an exam. Music. Oh my god. This thing keeps giving me notifications that I can buy something. My gosh, that's more expensive. And this is, oh my gosh, you know, this chicken is my life savings right here. 21. Oh my gosh, look at my money rising. Start event, oh. I started an event. Oh my gosh, Santa! I mean, Oh yeah, Santa. I can't see, I'm blind. Do I wear glasses? Yes, I do. I mean, I'm not really that blind. I'm like, how do I say it, nearsighted. Oh yeah, once we reach 100 likes, I'm gonna do my first vlog. But like, okay, so I said on one of my videos, I said I will doing, not a face reveal, it's just a vlog with me opening something. Cause I already got the thing I'm gonna open. So it's too late now. But like, I got something, I'm gonna have a mask on. And like, sadly, I have to undye my hair because my teacher did not approve. Not my teacher, my professor did not approve it. I don't know, teacher, because like, I was babysitting today too. And she was like talking about her cool teacher who gives her candy. I mean, elementary kids get candy, right? I don't remember. It's probably just high school. I have no idea. This makes 100K. Wow, this makes more money. Okay, look at all my money rising. I'm gonna be the richest chicken holder ever. Trust me. Wow, I'm getting rich. I got 46 chickens. 47. 49 or 50. Of the achievement. Dropsic 50. Upgrade the moment. Whoa, drink it. Play for an hour. Buy a purple chicken. I already bought the purple chicken. Oh, that's pink. I'm colorblind. What? No, that's pink. What the? Yeah. Oh, I can buy a new hat. Why not this? Oh. 5G. Okay, there we go. I got new hats. Oh my gosh. This is so adorable. Oh my god. What color eggs is... I can't... This thing's going by so fast, you know? Oh, purple and blue. Oh yeah, when I answer you guys' comments, so yeah, you guys understand that me or no one over the Beanie Squad are in a relationship except Alexa. Yeah, I keep in my head, I'm like thinking, well, I'm not sick, but like I'm sneezing. I'm not sneezing. I'm not probably sick. I just a runny nose, right? I'm praying. Wow. Why is this gonna go by so fast? Oh my gosh. I should like time every video. Cause like I'm now wondering how long this video is. Oh my gosh. My chicken. Make me more. Okay, if you have a farm, is this how much money you make? Like, cause like seriously, I'm just like speeding this. I could have bought that. I knew that. Most of the time, if you ask me, the same card I keep using to get myself like, not out of trouble, just out of the situation someone's having, I play the dumb card. I know that's like a really, that's my move, but like it works every time. I mean, not when rejecting someone, cause like someone just came up to me and said, I like you with flowers, and did I reject him? Let's just say I ran away. Cause like rejecting someone's hard. You can't blame me for that. I mean, it depends which person then you could speak. Because, I mean, rejecting someone is a really big problem for me. My friends do that to people who have a crush on them. But not for me. It's, like, really difficult. No. I realized I'm not gonna talk about what I just realized about myself. Oh my gosh, 6 out of 7. What new colors do we have? Green. Oh, there's green always there. Wow. I feel like I should do this in Roblox. Because there's like this chicken game, Life of a Chicken. But you know what? This is all fun right now, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you. And if you guys could remember what I said when I reached 50 subs, because like I'm about to reach that, and like I don't remember what I said, so can someone like comment what I said? Because I believe there's in the archive. No, I don't remember what video I said, but if you watch all my videos, you probably know. But I think I said something about that. Don't remember, bad memory. But like I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you and bye.